Hi everyone. In this video, I'll introduce the Seller Subscription Management feature in the Laravel multi-vendor marketplace, which allows admins to create subscription plans and control seller access with specific roles and permissions. Now let's see how this feature works. First, go to the admin panel, navigate to the marketplace, and open subscription plans. Here, the admin can easily view and manage all the subscription plans from a dedicated list page. This dashboard shows important details such as plan information, pricing, status, and the sellers assigned to each plan, all in one centralized place. To create a new plan, click on Add Plan. Here, fill in the required details, plan name, code, and description. If you want, you can enable the default toggle and set the price. In Permissions, you will see two options, Custom and All. Select Custom and enable the toggles for the features you want to include in this plan. This completely depends on your requirements. Now, in the General section, you can see options such as billing cycle, monthly or yearly, duration, maximum products, maximum staff, and commission value. Enable the feature toggle and status toggle, set the position, and choose the allowed product types as per your preference. Finally, click on the Save button. Now, as you can see, the Gold Premium Plan status is active. From here, you can also edit or delete the plan. Now, go to the storefront and click on the Vendor section. Here, you will find the Plan section. Inside this section, you will see two options, Plans and History. Click on Available Plans. Here it shows all the subscription plans along with their status. The seller can choose any plan they want. Here, I have created the Gold Premium Plan, and all the details are mentioned here, such as price, duration, and the number of products selected. The permissions have also been granted. Click on the Gold Premium Plan. Here, you can see the plan details and the custom fields set for this particular subscription. Now, agree to the terms and conditions, then click Proceed. After that, choose the payment method. In the Plan History section, the status is shown as Pending. Now go back to the admin panel. From here, click on the subscription section and select the particular plan. Then go to Select Action, click Update Status and choose Approve. Click Agree and it will show Subscription updated successfully. Now in the Plan History section, the status is shown as Active. From here, you can also use filters based on the desired plan. Enter the required details and click Apply Filters. The results will then appear according to your preferences. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another feature.